Drying food for backpacking is not just a craft, it's a game changer for trailblazers. Imagine having nutritious, lightweight meals at your disposal without the fuss. First, it's all about choosing the right ingredients. Fruits like apples, bananas, and berries are perfect, as are veggies like bell peppers, tomatoes, and zucchini. Don't forget lean cuts of beef, chicken, and turkey. Second, it's time to prepare the food. Clean and slice your chosen ingredients, readying them for the dehydration process. Thirdly, comes the dehydration itself. A temperature of 125 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. You can invest in a dehydrator or use an oven. The choice is yours. Fourth, proper storage is key. This helps keep your food preserved and ready for your next adventure. Finally, enjoy the freedom of creating your own meals, customized for your dietary needs and preferences. It's not just food, it's fuel for your journey. Remember, dehydrated food is not only space-saving, it's also a nutrient-dense and high-calorie source of energy. So, gear up and get ready to take your backpacking experience to a whole new level with dehydrated food.